What's up, guys? My name is Josh Holcomb. Inside the box in front of me contains a full-face snorkel mask that is supposed to improve both the safety and the visibility standards that its competitors lack on. We're going to dive into it right after this. Well, that is right, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to be testing out this full-face snorkel mask from a company called Unigear. Now, they sent this mask over to me with the claim that it would have better safety standards as well as increased visibility. Now, the safety would be due to the fact that this snorkel mask is supposed to separate the tubes from which you exhale and inhale. So a lot of the full-face snorkel masks, it's just one tube. You blow out, you breathe in. You blow out, you breathe in. But this one is supposed to have a designated inhale tube, as well as then the exhale goes out a completely separate tube. So you're not mixing the inhale and exhale, thereby breathing in your own CO2. So upon first glance, the one thing that I really like about it is that it's in a drawstring bag, a nice mesh bag, so everything can dry out really, really nice and easy there. Comes packed really nice in some bubble wrap. And yep, there we have the mask. We've got the, I believe that's the GoPro attachment. Just a little bit of information there. And then if we take a look, we will in fact see that the inhale tube there in the center is separate from the exhale tubes there on the outside edge. And yeah, I do really, really like that. I think that's going to be a whole lot safer there in the long run. The way it fits together, just slides down there, turn it, and it's locked in place. There we have it. And I like the silicone here. This also feels a lot more sturdier than other masks. So we've got the ball valve there in the top, so if you go underwater, that's going to push up so no water comes inside the mask and floods your mask, you can't breathe. And then also though, you won't be able to breathe in, so just make sure you come back up before you try and inhale there again. Alright, well, you know what? I think what we need to do, take this to a pool, get it in some water, and see just how it actually works and does better.
With you, yeah.
In there in the pool, super clear visibility all the way across. That's actually a plus side of this mask. As opposed to others, this one is straight across, whereas others are curved on the side, and so the picture can get a little bit blurry on the edges. Not the case with the mask here from Unigear. Another plus of this mask would be the quick release here on the side. Should you feel unsafe or you feel like you need to pop the mask off for any reason whatsoever, it's got those quick releases right there. You can pop it off, and there you are, back to normal reality. Well, I do want to say a big thank you to Aquaventure here in Winterville, North Carolina, for allowing us to film with Unigear here today at their pool. Listen, if you guys would like to get your own Unigear full-face snorkel mask, you can do it using the link in the description, and at checkout, if you put in the coupon code 10OFFJOSH, you're going to receive 10% off of your order. Until next time, my name is Josh. It's been real, it's been fun, it's been real fun.